Let's build a product recommendation quiz in Outgrow. Log in, go to the dashboard, and select the e-commerce recommendation quiz to get started. Step 1, choose quiz setup. Design your quiz from scratch or pick a pre-made template from Outgrow's library. Select the layout or template that best fits your brand and product style. Step 2, import products. Add your products by connecting to Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Magento, RSS feed, Excel file, or manually. Step 3, add product details. Enter product image, name, description, price, SKU, tags, CTA, and links. Step 4, access product store. Once added, your products appear in Outgrow's product store. Use filters like name, SKU, tag, or price to manage or update listings manually. Step 5, set up welcome screen and questions. Customize the welcome screen to engage users. Add quiz questions to collect preferences and guide product recommendations. Step 6, navigate to Recommendation tab. Go to the Recommendation tab on the results page and click Map Products. This is where each question option will be linked to the right products. Step 7, map products to options. For each question answer, apply filters to select products that match. Click Map Products to connect them dynamically using title, price, tag. Step 8, save product mapping. After mapping all options, click Done to save your settings. Step 9, configure results page display. Set how many products to show per user and enable options like images, descriptions, price, tags, and add to cart. You can also enable similar recommendations for a richer experience. Step 10, customize page settings. Adjust heading, subheading, add media, CTA buttons, disclaimers, retake options, and social sharing. This makes your results page both informative and shareable. Step 11, publish and promote. Click Go Live to save all changes and make your quiz live. Start promoting your quiz via website, social media, email campaigns, or paid ads. And that's it. Your Outgrow product recommendation quiz is ready to convert visitors into happy customers. Sign up for a free trial today and start creating personalized experiences that boost sales.